Pause whatever you're doing. This bonus moment is worth it. You're listening to the Airwaves Think Podcast. When it comes to a man, a whole uncommitted, unfaithful man, can't make up his mind man, you really should leave him. As I said, you really should leave him. But how to make him choose you is by withdrawing yourself and disappearing. That's right. Exit the situationship, because you probably really can't even call it a relationship. I mean, can you? Excuse yourself from up under Mr. Lock and Key and ghost him. Goodbye, sir. This is all part of the game and strategy to have him commit to you. Ironically, it works. I will say that this will only work if you know you are the best woman this man will ever have and can ever get. If you're not giving top tier for his type, and what I mean by top tier is if you are the type of woman he would settle down with over all others because you're classy based, you're not run up and done up, you're domesticated, and because you don't belong to the streets, because baby, if you for the streets, I can't help you. This will not work, okay? I am not specialized in helping those women in the streets, all right? Because for them, he will be there for a good time, not a long time, because he'll be going right back home to wifey. You know, they always do. You have to let him see how things will fall apart for him without you. After you've offered him a choice, you're going to stay away from him while he suffers the consequences. Shout out to Robert Greene on this one, because this is not my theory nor my tactics, but his, and it's based off of real world history and strategy and tactics. You know, there's an art to all of this, a whole science, right? Because what they say, there is nothing new under the sun. We just be recycling stunts and tricks from the 1500s. With this withdrawing and disappearing maneuver, basically you are disguising yourself as the agent of power and punishment, and you're going to give this man the option to commit to you. Put a label on it, put a ring on it, set the date, okay? Whatever commitment from him looks like in your situation. You know, his other option is he can spend his life or his time with someone else. And you are basically letting him know his option is a breakup, but without you actually using the word breakup, because the word breakup has a negative connotation to it versus saying spend your time with someone else. You know, it really should be framed like this, because these are the win-win options. You're going to commit to me, or you can spend your time with someone else. That is a win-win for him. If you put breakup in there, then it doesn't seem like it's a win-win situation for him. This is pretty much what it is. And there is no other option. You're going to say this in a very nice manner and tone. You're going to give him a genuine smile, and you're not going to flinch. You're presenting this to him as an option to choose which ice cream flavor of his two favorites does he want scooped into his cup or his cone. It's the same thing as if the ice cream shop is offering you one free scoop of ice cream for Customer Appreciation Day. You get to choose one flavor because it's one scoop. So you get my point? And if you know me, you know I'm always going for the chocolate. Some of y'all like the caramel and maybe the vanilla, but I'm going for the chocolate, okay? If he chooses the option to not commit, you can leave him. Leave this man and carry on with your life as if you never knew him. Do you hear me? As if you never knew him. And you're going to do it quickly and quietly and peacefully. We are not turning up. We are giving him the illusion of choice. It was his choice not to commit to you. So you're going to hide all your resentment and anger from him, because this is about power and strategy. You're going to shield your feelings and emotions regardless of what or who he's doing. All right. You're going to move on expeditiously, in the words of T.I., and make yourself busy and get back out there in the dating world, hang out with friends and go on trips. And you are going to do everything else but him. And trust me, he's going to hear about it. He's going to see about it, and he's going to learn about it, because men are messy. They are messier than women. They are. They really are. They stay keeping tabs, and he's going to remember how you catered to him. What Destiny Child say? I got your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. He's going down memory lane. He's reminiscing, because can't nobody do it like you do. And he's going to realize how much he misses you and trusts you. And he's going to remember how you were with him shooting in the gym. If you want the rest of this conversation, the full episode is in the description. This is the Airwaves Think Podcast.